What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'll be taking you to the top 4 beaches I visited on the amazing island of Lefkada, so stick around to see all of them. We started by going to a place called Kaçizma Beach, which is located in the northwest side of Lefkada. It is an organized strand with plenty of sunbeds, umbrellas and numerous accommodation options to be found close by. This place has everything to make your destination fully functional, and it can get quite crowded on the season. So I would definitely say to reserve the sunbeds in your place of choice, and then after enjoying the beach, you can appreciate the sunset at the beach clubs. Our next destination was the Cavali Kefta beach, which is also along the west coastline. This place is more secluded and with less structure, but still worth visiting. The rock formations and the crystal blue waters create an amazing landscape to enjoy. On the side of this place, you can also go to the Magali Petra beach, which shares the same beauty and offers you a nice feeling of seclusion and privacy. On the next day we continued our journey, and when we thought it couldn't get better, we were surprised by the views Lefkada has to offer. Egremni beach has clear turquoise blue waters, and its easier access is by boat, so we just enjoyed the view. It is also one of Lefkada's longest beaches, measuring over 2.5 kilometers in length. This coastal drive won't disappoint you, and renting a car was 100% the best choice. This beautiful guy you're seeing here with me is my dad, and I would like to express here how grateful I am to have him as my father, and thank him for being such a great company for this trip. Our next stop was Porto Kadziki, southwest of the island. Arriving at this place, you can find some small tents that sell some snacks and beach equipment that can be quite useful since there's no structure down at the beach. This one is on my top 3 most beautiful beaches I have been to in Greece, and this place is a must. The beach can get quite crowded, so just make sure you get there early. Now enough of me saying how beautiful this place is. Check it for yourself. This one was a massive surprise. We were almost going back to the city, but we decided to go just to one more beach. We are water sport enthusiasts, so we were happy to find this windsurf spot on the south coast. This location offers all the structure you need to do windsurf, sailing, kayaking and paddling. It's considered one of the best Mediterranean spots for windsurfing.
You hypnotize me.
In Vasiliki, there is a great variety of accommodations like hotels and camping sites, and it's full of shops, restaurants, cafes and bars. During the day at the beach and at night in Lefkada city, enjoying great food, walking around and of course some partying. This island overcame all of our expectations and you can trust me, it is as beautiful as it looks. Let me know in the comments which beach was your favorite. Thank you for watching and see you next time.